Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about order token or orderly. So order just get list on Binance Alpha, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy it, and also I will give my price predictions. So first, you can open your Binance apps, and then as you can see in the top, there is exchange and wallet. You can click wallet here. And then this is your wallet page. You can click alpha here. There is alpha tab here. Then you can find order. But if you cannot find it, you can back again on your Binance page, and you can go to your search box here in the top and search order. You can search it and you will find it order on alpha. You can click it, and this is the chart. Let's see the 1 day um, 1 day time frame. So this is the chart. I think it's really good because it's after the dump it's going back here. So I think it will go double from this price, so it will be $0.2. So yeah, I hope it's true. And you can click info here in the top. You will find 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. The volume is not really good, I think. And then you can also click the audit here. There is some cautions, but yeah, you can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit order, which is you can put the price you want. Let's see, you can choose the price like this, 0.5, or you can click instant buy here, so you can just swap your token, BNB or other token, USDT, to order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.